Welcome to Small Lathe. This is a short intro video. This is the original unimat pulley, 1931-42 outer diameters, same as this one over here, 3D printed with 4mm grub screw holes threaded. And these are individual units, same diameters, which we already have one mounted over there. And this is a sewing machine motor. So how fast do we know, how fast does it run? How fast does it turn? Well, let's try and see. Now that I have a pulley mounted there, try and avoid the glare. So around 4.8 thousand RPMs. Not bad, a bit faster than usual. Usually with this pulley set over here, I'd get around the 2,000-ish calculated. But all in all, now we have a good solution to the feeds and speeds issue, and we can always print them smaller, larger, whatever we wish. So, hope you enjoyed. Have a sweet day. I'll be seeing you, and have a wonderful 2024.